Evergreen. Candid, new trends in Icse chemistry for class 6. Introduction. Pure substance is the one which is made up of only one kind of molecules. It has definite composition and properties. It is pure and composed of single units which cannot be separated by physical means. Elements and compounds are thus classified as pure substances. These days we often use the term pure for eatables and drinks. For example, pure water, pure milk, pure juice, etc. But chemically this is not true. For example, we may consider water as pure, but it contains dissolved gases, minerals, etc. Milk is further a mixture of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, etc. Thus it can be concluded that articles which we use in our daily life are chemically impure most of the times. Mixture. A mixture is formed when two or more substances are mixed together in any proportion such that they retain their individual properties and can be separated by physical means. Air is an important raw material. It is used to manufacture oxygen, nitrogen, and noble gases for industrial processes. These gases are separated by liquefying air, then fractionally distilling the liquid air.
Types of mixtures. Depending upon the constituent particles, mixtures may be classified as homogeneous or heterogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous mixture.
A mixture in which its constituents are distributed uniformly is called homogeneous mixture.
Heterogeneous mixture. A mixture in which its constituents are not distributed uniformly is called heterogeneous mixture. In case of heterogeneous mixtures, the particles are unevenly distributed such that properties of the resulting mixture is not uniform throughout. Conclusion. Thus, we conclude that mixture of mud in water is a heterogeneous mixture.
Introduction.